Hello students, today we are going to discuss about arthropoda. Arthropoda. So, arthro means joints, podos means foot or appendages. Next, these are these are cosmopolitan in distribution. Arthropods are triploblastic in nature. Body shows bilateral symmetry, bilateral symmetry. Next, these are coelomates. Coelom is called as hemocoelom. Next, the source organ system level of organism. Next, body divided into head, thorax, and abdomen. Next, it contains the various sclerites, present threads present outside the body. Next, locomotion takes place by ये नहीं करें हमें. Body wall contains epidermis, striatal muscles, etc. Next, locomotion takes place by jointed appendages, or by wings. See, तुमने अगर पढ़िच 9th class रे संधिपद बोली. It was named as arthropoda. So arthros means joint, podos means foot. So these are cosmopolitan. Cosmopolitan means those organisms are present throughout the world. पृथ्वी विभिन्न प्रांत में देखा मिलती. That's why cosmopolitan in distribution. Arthropods are triploblastic. Triploblastic means having 3 embryonic layers like ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. Then body shows bilateral symmetry. So here both left side and right side are looks alike. Saman rahibo. And these are coelomates, means distinct body cavity or coelom is present. Hence these are coelomates. And here coelom is filled with body fluids like hemolymph. Hence they are called hemocoel or hemocoelom. Then they shows organ system level of organization. Organ system level of organization means a particular physiologic function is assembled with a group of organs for performing its activities. Now, body divided into head, thorax, and abdomen. So, abdomen, head, abdomen means the lower body part, thorax means chest regions. The bear's spheroids. These are plate-like structure which is removed from body to outside during molting. Now, body wall contains epidermis, striatal muscles, etc. Then, locomotion takes place by jointed appendages. Jointed appendages because the bears jointed appendages. So, foot-like structures or by wings. Now, as comparison to other lower invertebrates, arthropods shows little bit advanced features or advanced characteristics in all its activities, and here different types. Reason it is it is the largest family of largest family like phylum Rocca, largest phylum of animal kingdom. Reason all insects belongs to this phylum. Next, uh, alimentary canal is complete. It is divided into it is divided into foregut, midgut, and hindgut. Mouth parts are modified according to their food habits. Their food habits. For example, piercing and sucking, mosquito, then cutting and chewing, cockroach, then rasping. This is houseflies. Houseflies. Then respiration takes place by respective organs, respective organs. Example, gills, prawn, booklong, scorpion, bookgill, limulus. This is your also called as king crab. Then Spiracles insects. See, as arthropods contains all insects, that's why it is the largest phylum of animal kingdom. Clear? Now, elementary canal is complete. That means the whole elementary canal is divided into foregut. Gut means common. Elementary canal. Anterior part to foregut koya, then midgut and hindgut associated with various digestive glands. Now, mouth parts are modified according to their food habit. So, in animal kingdom, various types of food habits are found. And for example, in case of mosquito, it has a tendency to pierce the skin or surface of the body and suck fluids. Cutting and chewing, cockroach. The cockroach ରହିବ ତମର maxilla, mandible, labium, labrum ଆଉ hypopharynx. Rasping ରହିବ ତମର house flies. So different types of uh, organisms and different types of food habits. Similarly, respiration takes place by respective organs. See, gills, gallici, prawn, bucklung, bucklung ରହିଲା ତମର scorpion, bookgill, lemurus, king crab, and spiracles, insects. As we have lungs, similarly, arthropods contains different respiratory organs. Now, gaseous exchange takes place through these respective respiratory organs, and here in case of cockroach you will find open circulatory system, or it is an ideal example of arthropods. So cockroach, or you can say circulation is open type, contains sinuses, first, and aorta, etc. We will go through in detail after a couple of time. Then respiration takes place by Malpighian body, green gland, coxal gland, etc. ଏଠି ଆମେ ରଖିପାରିବା ହେମୋଲିମ୍ଫ ନେଇପାରିବା. Next, nervous system consists of sub esophageal, ganglia, ventral nerve cord, and associated nerves. Then sense organs includes your eye, antenna, etc. Eye, normally the bears compound eye having ommatidia and the source mosaic vision. its main motto is monitor the environment. Next, arthropods bears or secrets. Arthropods secrets various hormones and pheromones that helps in molting and acts as sex attractant. See, circulation is open type. That means if it is its body, it contains different cavities or sinus. For example, this is dorsal pericardial sinus. This is middle perivisceral sinus, and this is ventral perineural sinus. And in between them you will find these are perforated diaphragm, and it bears this type of structures and attached by your alari muscles, and these are ostia. See, dorsal means above, peri means surrounding, cardia means heart, sinuses means cavity. So the cavity which is present in the upper side or dorsal side and surrounds heart-like structures, that is your dorsal pericardial sinus. Below its you will find middle perivisceral sinus. Peri means surrounding, visceral means internal organs, and sinuses means cavities. So these two sinuses are separated from each other by perforated diaphragm. Madhyasthada portula having this like of gaps. And as it is an invertebrate, that's why nerve cord is present in ventral side, and the sinuses which covers or surrounds, this is your ventral perineal sinus. So it has heart-like structures, and the contraction and relaxation will be regulated by alari muscles, and ostia is there for oxygenation. So anyway, here instead of blood, hemolymph is present, and sinuses with dorsal aorta is there, etc. So excretion, will details go through it in cockroach. So excretion takes place by Malpighian tubule or Malpighian body, green gland, coxal gland, etc., through which nitrous waste materials are released from the body to outside. Then nervous system consists of subesophageal, in some cases pharyngeal ganglia is there. Sub means below esophagus. A ganglia means compact mass without having any intercellular space, and ventral nerve cord is there in association with various nerves. So sense organ contains eye. Eye means compound eye. So see, if this is compound eye, it contains this type of units called ommatidia, and each ommatidia, they are the functional units. So it picks up a certain portion of a picture, and all these pictures are assembled to form a whole picture. So that's why this shows mosaic vision, which is more potent in night. So arthropods secretes various hormones. So what is hormone? So hormones are chemical messengers which regulates metabolic activities. So here various hormones are present and pheromones are present. These pheromones act as sex attractant, and hormones are for molting, means removal of their old skin, you can say. Now, in case of arthropods, so well-developed reproductive system is there. So, respective primary, secondary sex organs and characters are situated in it. Now, reproduction in arthropods includes mostly sexual mode. Sexual mode. Here, sexual dimorphism. Sexual dimorphism is seen. Some may show, some may includes hermaphrodites. Or some arthropods are hermaphrodites. Next, fertilization is internal or external. Development is direct or indirect. Direct means here cleavage, holoblastic cleavage will take place. Indirect through larval form. Example, crustacea. Next, some arthropods are oviparous or viviparous. See, reproduction is a phenomenon by which an organism increases its own species or own members. So, male and females are clearly distinguished by the secondary sex character, so which can be mentioned as sexual dimorphism. Some arthropods are hermaphrodites. In an organism, when both male and female sex organs are present, they are called hermaphrodites. That means they can produce male gamete and female gamete. Then formation of zygote or formation of or amphimixis of zygote or amphimixis of gametes to form a diploid zygote takes place inside the body, that's why internal, or outside the body, external. When without larval form development takes place, this is your direct development. Example, cleavage. Cleavage means embryonic development here, which is holoblastic, and here it is a mitotic division. It is a mitotic division where it divides without increasing its size, and larval form includes crustaceans. Some arthropods are oviparous. Oviparous means those lays egg are oviparous, those lays young one are viviparous. So these are characteristic features of arthropods, and common members includes alemon, buthus, apis, pulex, sicifly, then limulus, Lacifers, etc. Anopheles. See, Palaemon means Palaemon Malcolmsomi means prawn. Buthus scorpion. Apis your Apis is your honeybee. Culex, which is the vector for filaria or elephantiasis, sissy fly, dengue, limulus, king crab, lacifers, lac producing, and Anopheles is the female Anopheles responsible for transfer of plasmodium, which is malaria parasite. So these are your characteristic features of phylum Arthropods.